What's up, traders? It's Matthew Barajas coming back here with another video. Today is day 3 of the small account challenge with ShareTrader. I funded it with $700, and sadly, I'm down $160 today. It was a very big loss. I pull it up right here, or if you see right here, realized profit is negative $106.02. My realized profit was actually down $182 with commissions. So the small account did take a really big hit today. I was up $90 today. I only made 2 trades, but because of FOMO and my emotions, I ended up trading badly, and my loser just kept running, and I didn't cut it off like I was supposed to. So if we go to my trade log, you can see here I traded GRB with half my, or what was half my buying power, which was at 305 with 574 shares. I just have a hotkey that will buy 50% of my buying power on the ask, and then I have another hotkey that will sell my entire position on the bid. So let's go to the chart and look exactly where I bought and sold. So you can just close this up. So here we are. Oh shoot. So here we are, and it was GBR. So GBR ran from $1, opened up. Let's see, opened up at $1.78 somewhere in that area, and ran all the way up to $3.07, which is a what is that? Roughly 100% move. I didn't catch a lot of this move until, what was it, 305. So let's see, let's go find 305. 305. Yep, 305 is right at this resistance level, close to it anyways. And so 305, I actually got in for the break to new highs. So I believe I got in somewhere in this area. So it was gonna break $3. I saw it was gonna break $3. It had broken over this resistance that I set out already. It's kind of pulling back, right? Pulling back. Resistance becomes new support. We're also above this blue line is the 9 moving average, and this purple line is the VWAP. So we have this support line, and the support line I drew out myself. We also have the 200-day moving average, which is below the actual the candles, which means that the stock is bullish. So everything was telling me to buy. So I bought, I believe, yeah. So I bought breaking over $3. Ended up getting filled at 305, and then I sold from 305 to the jump to 322, which was right around the spot where this new resistance would be. So I sold into resistance, which is really good. That was a really clean trade that I took with no emotions, and I got in and got out. Made 96 something dollars, I believe, on that. After commissions, it was like 85, something like that, 83 or whatever. And I was done. I was done for the day. I wasn't gonna trade GBR after that, and I was really happy with my performance. I thought it was gonna be a green day today. Then GBR started to consolidate, like you can see here, kind of making this downward, almost like a bull flag pattern. See, because you have the pull here, and then it's kind of just starting to flag out, and then it broke over this, it broke over this 325 area, and I thought, okay, this still has potential to maybe break this 350, what was it, 355 area, 356 area, and go running past the 381. So I ended up trying to get in again at 365. So that was, while this thing was running, I pretty much bought almost at the top, or I tried to buy for the breakout of this resistance point here, but you can see I totally got rejected. So I ended up trying to get in, you know, somewhere 359 area, and I ended up getting filled at 365 due to slippage. Of course, I was buying on the ask, so, and this stock was moving quickly, so I just kind of, you know, pressed the buy button and go. I wanted this to get above 370, and so it hit 370, and I'm watching the ask. The ask hits 370. It holds, and then it breaks back down. And then I'm just holding it, and I see that it's not breaking under this 9 moving average, which I like, which means that it's, you know, there's still buyers there, they're still holding the stock up. But at this point, I was down $70, and I just gave back all my profit for the day. So I really did not want to get out for loss, and I pretty much held this all the way up until 319, which is, I mean, now that I think about it, it's so horrible. If you can see, 319 isn't until all the way down here of the break of this support, and that's what I bailed out. I was like, okay, I gotta cut this off. This is definitely going against me. But if I would have not gotten greedy and just not been so much in my emotions and just got out at 370, you know, because it hit 370 once, it hit 370 twice here, and it hit 370 a third time here. And every single time I thought it's gonna break 370, and then it's gonna hit the next target of 382, which is my next resistance level here that I had set out. And I just ended up buying at the peak, and it reversed on me, and I should have cut it off, you know, a lot earlier once I saw it breaking under the 9 moving average, the blue line. But I didn't. I told myself it's gonna come back, and I just got lots of FOMO, super in my emotions. And overall, it was just a really bad trade. It just totally ate my winner, and it made me lose even more money than I was comfortable with losing. So we'll probably start the next week, Monday, fresh and ready to trade. I won't have 6-to-1 buying power since my account's gonna be under $500 now. So we'll have to trade with $400 something, however much is left, for the next week. Try to get it above 500, and then I'll have 6-to-1 margin again, and I'll be able to grow my account, hopefully faster, and we'll start getting some green days here. These are mistakes that I'm just kind of making because I want to grow this account, because I want to do good. But you gotta tell yourself, you gotta stay strict to your rules and not break them. One other thing is, this morning, if you look at your morning, or look at my morning gappers, SEAL was the leading gapper this morning with 3.2 with 3.2 million in volume, and a float of 800,000. I ended up not even looking at SEAL today. I don't even know what happened with it, but none of the gappers really looked interesting to me. PRGS was way overpriced at $46. BOXL was, I mean, it was alright, but it was still trading on light volume, only 450,000. AMRS, 1 million to 36 million is like, you know, there's no point in trading that. It's too thinly traded. And yeah, so, but we will be back, or I will be back Monday trading these markets again. Hopefully we can make some money then, and hopefully I'll be able to post a Green Day video. If you guys have any questions about anything I go over here, or anything you see in the chart that you want me to explain or do a video on, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. If you can hit that like button, I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.